Hello. Thank you for the answer. I tried to translate it, but some things are very difficult for me to understand. I tried it in DeepL to translate something. Okay. I show you some things in the brush settings. Not all, but some things. Okay. It's nothing but about the. Okay, I created a new brush with the settings. Um, I show you. It's nothing about the form. I take a round shape. Fertig. And the it's really nothing about the grain. Make it blank. Okay. Okay, I test this brush. Okay, the color. Now it's so a yellow tone. I take this and the brush makes this. Okay. It picks the colors from the shape. I show you. I'm changing the shape. For example, I take this. And now you see the shape. It picks it. Okay. You can change the path. For example, okay. And now I change the color. For example, blue. Same thing. I'm changing the path, stroke size. You can change here everything, streamline, jitter, something. Okay, color dynamics is nothing. Dynamics and the blend modes are not necessary. Okay. Brush, you can change on the brush, pencil, everything you want to change. And I show you the grain. I change it to this grain. And now it draws with the grain. And the shape size, you can pick it. And I'm changing the grain again, then you can see it better. Then it picks the pixels. Yes. Okay. And you can make cool effects with this brush, but only on the same layer, and it picks the colors only one time. For example, you can draw, and then it's then it's over, and it's only on one layer, because the brush is not able to pick colors from a layer beneath or something. But that's impossible with everything in I think in Procreate. Selection or something is always on the same layer. Okay. With this brush, it's possible to I'm changing the path, and now you can stamp this yeah, it's a cool brush. For example, if you I use it often for like a clone brush, or for what's the English name? Um, yes, for example, I make this and I can draw. Um, yes, and the color is always it picks the color, whatever you pick the color from. Um, okay, I hope you answer again. Ciao.